like a hard tax, in a bag or a sack. Do you miss me? I said I don't care. Your cousin walked around in his underwear.